Hi everyone, in previous video we learned how to perform fast forward merge, but in this video we are going to instruct Git that don't perform fast forward merge, and we'll see the difference in between fast forward and not fast forward. So first we are going to create a new branch, then again we are going to make some changes and commit the changes to the new branch. And finally we are going to merge the branch to the master, but this time we will instruct Git that perform no fast forward. Now first we are going to check here Git status, and this is clean working directory. Now let's check the branches. We have only master branch, so I'm going to create a new branch and I will switch to that branch. So we have new branch here. Now in this new branch we are going to edit apple.txt file, and I will add one more line here, line 4. Save these changes, and then we are going to check the status. So git status, and we can see one file has been modified. Now let's commit the changes, and here we are using am just to add and commit. Now let's see the git status, and we can see it's clean working directory. So I'm going to check out to master branch now, and here we can see the log, and let's check full log. So online, decorate, graph and all, enter, and here we can see new branch is one step ahead of master. So now let's clean this screen, and we are going to perform git merge, but this time here we'll say no fast forward. So no fast forward, and it will ask for commit message. I will keep the same commit message, merge branch new one, and save this commit message. Now let's look into the log, or before that let's see the status. It's clean working directory, and we can check the apple.txt file also. Here line 4 is added. And now if you see the log, here you can see this is different than the previous merge. Here we can see from where we started, then new branch was created. From new branch changes are merged to the master branch. So these details are here. Now if I will delete the new branch, and again if I will see the log, still this information is here. We can see new line was added. Thanks for watching.